Last month, my agency generated over $100,000 in revenue. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you the 4 tips that has allowed me to scale my agency to over $100,000 a month in revenue in less than 24 months. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. Now, just for context, yes, last month we did hit over $100,000 in revenue. But the month previous to that, we did about $70,000. And one of the main reasons we were able to scale to $100,000 in revenue last month was due to the fact that it was Black Friday, Cyber Monday, where cumulatively across all 5 clients, we were able to generate them upwards $1 million in attributed revenue from our marketing efforts. And the way pricing works at our agency is that we charge a small monthly fee plus an average of 10% of revenue, all which came out to a little over $100,000 in revenue for the agency for the month of November. Tip number 1 is working with the right client versus the wrong client, a concept I like to refer to as less is more. What this essentially means here is that I would rather work with 5 clients that pay me an average of $20,000 a month rather than working with 20 clients that pay me an average of $2,000 a month. Now, previous to SF Analytica at my old SEO agency, at one point I had about 20 plus clients. And to be honest with you, I realized that it was just too much of a headache to deal with. So when I started San Francisco Analytica, the point was to work with less clients, yet make more money. Mark Twain had a quote that really resonated with me to help me get that shift, right? That shift in thinking with working with less clients and making more money. And that quote goes, when you find yourself on the side of the majority, it's time to stop and reflect. And you see, a lot of agency owners, what they'll do is they're always chasing X amount of clients. They're chasing a number amount of clients because they think that having more clients is correlated to more revenue, which in reality, yes, that is true. But if you think about it, right? If you work with less clients, but are able to generate them more money, in return, you generate more money, it's a win-win situation. So this is what I mean by working with less clients yet making more money. Now, to help identify the perfect client, we have a 2-page internal document titled the Perfect Client Protocol, which is basically a 2-page document that outlines the 20 traits that we look for when prospecting for new clients. 3 of those main 20 traits are as follows. The first trait is that we look for clients that are doing at least $20,000 a month in revenue. The second trait is that we look for clients that have a minimum $5,000 a month in ad spend. And the third trait is working with clients that have creatives or that are creative enabled, meaning that if they don't have the proper creatives that we need, we can go ahead and consult them and they have the means to actually get those creatives, whether that be, a team of people to pump out these creatives for us, or whether that be a budget set aside to actually pay people to go ahead and put together these types of creatives. Tip number 2 is having A players. By this, we mean full-time employees that are able to deliver on your main service offering. For us at the agency, that is going to be media buying, and AJ is my head media buyer who handles all the media buying for our clients. Now, in order to attract A1 players as well as keep these people working for you, there was a few things that we had to do. And the first one was, rather than doing what everyone else is doing, which is paying their media buyers a set salary, what I did is paid my media buyer based on his performance. Now, the benefit of having a full-time employee that handles all your main service offering is that it allows you to take yourself out of the business and work on the business rather than working in the business. In other words, you can spend most of your times building systems and processes to actually scale your business to the next level. Now, I have recorded 2 separate videos on this topic. The first video is a video that shows you why you should pay your media buyer or your performance marketer a performance fee rather than paying them a salary. And the second video is a video that covers the top 3 places to find a media buyer or a performance marketer. You'll find the links to both of those videos in the description of this video, so please do check it out after this video if you are interested. Tip number 3 is expanding your service delivery. Now, when we started, we were just offering Facebook ads, but shortly after a while, we realized that it was in the best interest of our clients as well as for us to actually offer multiple services on multiple platforms. This included Google ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, as well as Snapchat and YouTube ads. Now, to go a step further, once we started offering these services, we realized that our clients are in need of other services. For example, email marketing, or for our information product clients, funnel creation. So what we did is, again, we expanded our service delivery even further to go ahead and offer email marketing as well as funnel creation for our clients. Tip number 4 is having performance-based pricing. And by this, we mean pricing your services based on how much revenue you're able to generate your clients rather than just charging them a set salary every single month. For example, at the agency, we charge anywhere between $2,500 to $3,500 a month, plus an average of 10 to 15% of the revenue that we're able to generate that client that specific month. Now, there are many benefits to having a performance-based pricing. 2 of these benefits are as follows. The first is that it allows you to scale aggressively with only a few handfuls handful of clients. Case in point is our agency. Again, we did over $100,000 in revenue with only 5 clients. So what this does is it allows you to scale aggressively with only a few clients. And to be quite honest, you will see that literally 70 to 80% of the revenue that you will be making eventually at scale is going to come from the performance fees rather than the monthly fee that you charge your clients. The second benefit is that it incentivizes us at the agency to get our clients the best results. Because again, how much we make at the end of the month is based on how much we generate them at the end of the month. So it's literally in our best interest as well as our clients' best interest to get them the most amount of money possible at any given month. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you are an agency owner, or if you are someone that is looking to start and scale your marketing agency, I want to go ahead and invite you to a free 1-hour masterclass where I literally break down everything on how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in 90 days or less. The video to that training will be in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.